Hello everyone and welcome to another Snowy and Friends videos. This is a Roblox video, so yeah, and as if I guess you can notice here, I'm with my friend Echo the dog, and
Hey, hello.
yeah, so this is gonna be a collaboration, and today we're gonna be seeing what people would trade for my fly and ride robo dog. And maybe some ads. And what are you going to trade, Echo?
For what?
For your pets.
Like, what should I offer for the robo dog, you mean?
Yeah, let's just start it off.
Okay. So, since it's a robo dog.
And it's fly, too.
Oh, it's fly. Whoops. Wrong pet.
Oh, by the way, I have a new account, Snowing Friends Cool. So, yeah, just follow me or friend me or something.
Yes. Fly ride Cerberus.
Decline, because no one really likes Cerberuses.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Now let's go see what people have to offer. I love my ride. Me, Mega Neon Dog.
Yes, we rich. Sorry, no flex.
Yes.
Okay, so... Oh, let's go to Trading Circle.
Yay.
Where are you?
I'm coming out of the Neon Cave.
Oh, okay, I'm just gonna be waiting at the Trading Circle. So, yeah, we're here. And let's try... Okay, let's try this girl.
Okay.
Oh, and a reindeer. There's a reindeer here. I'm gonna see if they would offer. Flying ride reindeer, that's, like, good. I'm just gonna add, like, kitsune and stuff. 3, 2... I think I'm over?
What are they offering?
Flying ride reindeer.
Oh.
I don't know.
Reindeer is out of game, and it was obtainable from the Christmas event, so,
Yeah.
you know.
I don't know, though, if I'm over or under, because might be under. Because I'm offering a metal ox, which is legendary, a kitsune, which is legendary, and a robo dog flying ride, which is legendary. 3 legendaries. For 1 rare. Yeah.
Oh, Daisy has appeared.
Yes, Daisy is here.
Hi.
Hello.
I don't have any pets to trade today.
So, yeah. Today actually, I'm gonna be giving away a pet to a subscriber. So,
Me unsubscribe?
No, because that is fake.
Fine. If you guys wanna
Because
enter,
I already know you guys, so it's not fair.
if you guys wanna enter, then you can put your Roblox username in the comments down below, and he'll tell you when to join, so he can
Give
just
you
give it
a
to
bat. I'm choosing maybe 2 to 3 winners, depending on if I want to trade my pets. And once I get to 100 subscribers, I'm giving away a neon snowman. So,
Wow, that's coolio.
yes, very coolio. And so yeah, let's trade this person.
There's
Oh my
another
gosh,
Roblox.
somebody's saying trade Neon Fly Cat for
Okay,
Mega
so their
That is
dream
fair.
pet is the ghost bunny. So it's not worth it. This is not worth it because it's still in game. Yeah, it's my dream pet. Flying ride.
Offer.
A ride peacock.
Oh well.
Let's try to trade some random people.
I'm over for Mega Dog.
Oh wait. Okay, let's see. Will that work? Hopefully. Because I added a ride cat
Yes.
for... Yeah, they won't trade.
In this server, there's only 2 mega neon dogs.
Yeah, there's not that many rich people.
Yeah.
So I guess we're gonna try like a couple more trades and we're gonna see, we're gonna try a different server.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna say, who? Oh my gosh, that Adopt Me music. Okay, I'm just gonna say, who is subscribed to Snowy and Friends on YouTube? Oh wait, you are? You are. You are subs.
Okay, ask your questions.
Okay. What is the new vid about? Did they respond?
No. Hashtags.
Yeah, they probably don't even know what my channel is. Okay, so here, Echo, follow me.
Alright.
Oh, and by the way, have you seen my new Minecraft episode?
Yeah, it is. It's really cool.
Okay, so wait, do you see this? Are you seeing this?
What?
At least I got it on video. My dog had like cool emojis on it. I don't know if that's normal because I've been playing Adopt Me for like 3 years and it hasn't happened to me ever.
I think it's because your pet was bored.
Oh, probably an update or something. Okay, so now I'm going to be offering to Echo some stuff. So Echo, would you rather want me to trade you a ride dog or a ghost bunny or a lamb?
A lamb.
Okay.
Subscribe and turn on post notifications to never miss a video.
I will put my neon fly bat.
Your neon fly bat. I think you have to add.
Okay.
Because whatever I get from this trade, I'm giving away to my subscribers. Or I'm just gonna give it away.
Ground floss.
How many ground sloths do you have?
I only have 1 and 2 cracked eggs.
That's it?
And I also have. Let's see what vehicles I have for trade. Oh, I have an amber bone. This clown umbrella. And I think that's it.
Ooh. Somebody offered me in a rich Roblox server, somebody offered me two owls.
For a
And
lamb?
yeah. But you know the reason I didn't accept
Why?
was because I was trying to trade my land for that 2 hours, but my game got disconnected.
Ooh.
Yes, big oof. Okay, so let's see, what did we trade for a toucan?
Okay.
And by the way, I'm trading Echo right now, like only because there's not really a lot of people that are willing to trade in this server.
This, and then ground swap.
That's it?
Should I add?
Yeah, because this is a Star Rewards pet.
That's true. I will add. Then,
Add pets.
okay. I mean, I don't really have a lot of pets.
Oh. Okay, I guess I'll decline. Okay, so and then let's show the people on this video. You know the vault in the pet room?
Yeah.
Let's show them how to get in.
Okay.
So yeah, basically we're just thinking of ideas in this video.
Yeah.
So this might be uploaded and it might not be uploaded, but hopefully it will be.
Yes, I hope so too.
Okay, so there's 2 ways to get in. It's actually 3 ways. So let's go to strollers. Let's equip and let's stop ride. Okay. Now now you can see my robo dog is in. And then okay, it's in. Now I can just fly it. Oh no, I'm too far.
Oh no.
Okay, let me get my stroller. And by the way, this is my avatar, so follow me.
Yes. Did you guys know that I have my own channel?
Yes, I'm in.
Channel's name is Echo the Dog, and I make stuff like animations and videos about my life and stuff. So,
Yeah, you should go subscribe to him.
yeah, I'm nearly hitting 20 subscribers, and I'm excited about it.
How many subscribers do you have?
Around 15.
Oh, you're close. Here, Echo, you can teleport to me.
Okay.
Okay, so now from here, we just get a stroller and then we get our pet. It has to be flying or ride. Actually, fly if you want to get to this point, but if you just want to get in here, it only has to be ride or fly. It doesn't matter. Oh, okay. This is the hard part.
Yes. Hard.
So now it's okay. Now I'm on top, and right here, this is the actual vault,
Yes.
and that's the tunnel. And as you can see, Not really, but this is the pet shop. This big brick, like everything in there is a pet shop, but everything. Oh, why'd you teleport to me?
Oh, no.
Here, go on a flat surface so you can teleport.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the extremely hard part, which is almost impossible. Oh, my dog fell off. Wait, it fell off again. Okay. Okay, so now let me get my stroller.
This is the very coolio.
Now it's in. This is the hard part.
Didn't you say-
No.
Wait. Will this work?
No!
But
I accidentally fell off the thing because I thought I pressed fly.
yeah, go on a flat surface. Okay, you can teleport to me.
Okay. What? I fell off.
Okay, try again.
Okay, I'm here.
Yes.
Actually, I'm gonna try it with my ghost bunny because it's bigger.
Yes.
Hopefully it will work.
Yes. I hope so too.
No.
What happened?
Wait. There's 2 boxes.
2 boxes? Did you get into one?
Yeah, kind of, because look, there's a clear box and then there's a hard box. So that's weird. You can see that. Okay, so now let's try that again. Okay, it's in the second box. No. So this is basically the impossible part. And yeah. So this is the end of today's video. And don't forget to enter the giveaway. And subscribe to Echo the Dog 8. Or just Echo the Dog on YouTube. And subscribe to my channel. And comment your username, like, and subscribe on this video. And yeah, so that's how you'll be entering the bat giveaway. So yeah, bye.